Want to be your own boss? Want to make money on your own terms? This video will show you how. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Do you dream of financial freedom and being your own boss? Well, today, I'll show you exactly how to become an entrepreneur from scratch. And trust me, if they did it, you can too. Stay to the end, because I'll also reveal 2 real-life stories of people who went from 0 to millions. Let's go. 1. Find a problem and solve it. The biggest mistake people make? They focus on money first. But real entrepreneurs, they focus on problems. Think about it. Every successful business solves a problem. Uber solved the problem of expensive taxis. Amazon solved the problem of shopping convenience. Brian Chesky and Airbnb. Imagine this. It's 2007. 2 broke designers in San Francisco can't afford rent. They notice hotels are fully booked due to a local event. Idea. They rent out air mattresses in their apartment. That small idea became Airbnb, now worth over $70 billion. Moral? Find a problem, solve it, build a business. 2. Take massive action. Here's the hard truth. Most people have ideas, but never act. An idea without action is nothing. Entrepreneurs test, fail, learn, and grow. What can you do? Start a small business online. Launch a service-based business. Sell digital products. Use AI to automate. Elon Musk didn't wait for permission. When people said electric cars would fail, he didn't listen. He launched Tesla, faced failures, and now it's worth over $700 billion. The lesson? Just start. Fail, learn, improve. 3. Develop an entrepreneur mindset. Want to know the secret behind all successful entrepreneurs? It's mindset. Entrepreneurs don't think about obstacles, they think about solutions. Fact. Jeff Bezos was told Amazon wouldn't work. Steve Jobs was kicked out of his own company, but they never quit. Now, your turn. Don't fear failure, it's part of the process. Be ready to work harder than anyone else. Stay consistent, even when no one believes in you. 4. Surround yourself with success. They say, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you hang out with losers, complainers, and lazy people, you'll become one. But if you surround yourself with successful, motivated, and hardworking people, you'll level up. Follow successful entrepreneurs online, join business communities, read books on business and mindset. At the end, I will suggest you a book name, The $100 Startup by Chris Guillebeau. Keep them watching. Here's the truth. No one is coming to save you. Not your boss, not the government, not your family. But guess what? You can change your life. The difference between successful and unsuccessful people. Successful people take action, while others keep making excuses. Which one are you? Drop a fire in the comments if you're ready to take action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more money-making tips. Comment below. What's your